I think there's a common misconception that we all have that great brands come from the West. Uh, but I think that's only partly true. You know, there are great brands in the West, but in the last decade or so, we have seen countries in the East make some great quality products in scale, in size, and being innovative. I think Taiwan is a fine example of one of those countries, you know, which are providing us with great products in our daily life, be it in information, in everyday, in home products, in appliances, sports and fitness. And this actually echoes today's theme, which is giving great lifestyle product to Indian consumers. I think which is great. Personally, the products that I have used, I think they're as good as any in the world. And sometimes we are not aware that these are made in countries or in a country like Taiwan. I think which is the reason that we are here today, to bring out awareness to the public that this is what we are here for. Yeah, it is. I think it's. I'm on stage for not launching my film after a while, so that is interesting, and it's exciting. I think the products that they have here are very innovative and practical, and I think, as I said before, we are not aware of where these are made. So it's great to be here just to bring out awareness. That just like how we promote our films, I think it's promoting and bringing out awareness. And yeah, traveling for me is very exciting. I think I get bored staying in one place at a time. I would like to keep traveling if my schedule allows me. I was recently in the US traveling and taking a break. Places like New York and other cities. I have never been to Taiwan, and we were just discussing, it'll be interesting to go and ride their bicycle there because they're very bicycle friendly. So I'll have my cardio done if I stay there for 2 days. And it'll be exciting, yeah, so let's see, hopefully our association goes there and I get to travel there. Oh, in India, yes, there's so many places I've not seen in India. I have not, as a kid, I used to go up in the mountains from Delhi. We used to drive around. I think Dharamshala or even Kasauli and places like that. I would like to go there and take out time if my schedule allows me to. I think down south, I have not gone and explored down south, be it Kerala, which have great things. So I think there's so much for us to travel in India as well. So hopefully, if my schedule allows me to, next time I'll tell you where I've gone. I have seen up north, Delhi में काफी biking का culture है. I think city to city है. मुंबई में कम है. या तो अगर आप दिल्ली से और छोटे शहरों में जाओ तो वहाँ पे काफ़ी बाइक्स दिखती है आपको. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कल्चर नहीं है. आई थिंक बड़े शहरों में फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं है मे बी ऑन द रोड टू राइड द बाइक सेफली, या डिस्टेंस में आपको लगता है, या कभी कभी वेदर ऐसा होता है जैसे कि बारिश के मौसम में ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, डजंट अलाउ इट. So hopefully, you know, the government will take initiative and give us some facilities and encourage people to ride a bike and go from place to place or office or work or wherever. And जैसे आज के इनका product है, like a bicycle is so innovative that you can carry it to your office. You know, it's इतनी जगह नहीं लेती है. It doesn't take so much space. It can be folded. It's very light. It can take heavy weights. You can carry stuff on it. So I think all thanks to their bike, people start riding around in Mumbai to their homes and places and for pleasure or for work. Yeah.